let's add some aura for Dembélé. So we're gonna bring in an image right here with the background removed, and next up we're gonna hold Alt and drag up to make a duplicate of that. So we're gonna click here and we're gonna head on over to the effects panel and we're gonna type JVC, drag the JVC effect and add it to your clip. We're gonna increase the strength by 100 and the filters by 100. Next up we're gonna type glow 2. We're going to grab glow 2 and we're going to add it to our stack right there. We're going to increase the glow and the size to 100. Bear in mind that glow 2 is a pro feature. If you don't have pro, just skip glow 2 and just head straight to aura. So we're going to click on aura and we're going to apply it to our clips here on the top of the stack. And we're going to drag that to the end and we're going to increase the strength of the aura as well, just to max it out. And we're going to play it back and just see what our edit looks like. I'm just going to wait for that to render a bit. Yeah, it's actually that easy to add aura to your edits. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.